naging neighborhood namin. Guys, kawawa naman itong bahay namin kumpara yung laki ng mga bahay doon sa aming mga neighbors. Parang bumho lang yung bahay namin. Napakaliit. At kasi naman yung mga neighbors namin, yung mga garage nila connected doon sa kanilang bahay. Mga garage din nila half ng kalaki doon sa kanilang bahay. Kaya napakalaki talaga ng kanilang structures. Hello all, kumusta po kayo? Nandito naman po ako, si Marilyn, your friendly Filipina carpentera here in America. Tapos ito na po yung bahay namin. Ang daming mga contractors ngayon kasi nagbubungkal sila ng lupa kasi i-install na yung mga pipes dyan papunta sa main source. So yan na po. I hope you enjoy watching. Alam niyo guys, ayaw ko na talaga sanang mag-upload ng mga videos ko doon sa YouTube kasi palaging araw-araw na lang binabawasan nila yung watch hours ko. Tapos parang nadi-discourage na ako Kaya lang may mga kaibigan na akong nagsabi na, "Uy, sige na, ituloy mo lang yan." Dami nila guys, dalawang mga kaibigan ko yung nagsabi. Kaya yan, for the last time, itutuloy ko ito. Munti na mabalintong.
So what we did is that's what he was talking about. He wanted tied that's tied in where he can connect up there. It's tied in here. We got the pipe running all the way out there over the hill. Yeah?
Oh yeah. So this one goes all the way out there.
Yep, I ran it all the way out there.
Awesome. Yeah. So the water would come out there.
Yep.
Okay.
And then what I got is drain pipe. That's your connection pipe. That's it.
Yeah.
Out of the ground. So we got that. It's the only thing I got to do is right here. Come over here. See where they're going in with your deck? I'm capped off right here. So the only thing I have to do once I cover this for them.
Oh, I thought they said 9 foot deep.
No, that's down here.
Oh, not here?
Yeah, when you go down there, you got to drop. That's 9 feet down. But once I cover this, then I'll just tap in from here and run it on down.
It goes down fast. You got to dig another trench next to this, or when you do this wall, you got to dig another trench out there somewhere.
Well, dig it up, put it right on top of there. That's why I that'll work. You got any pipe here?
I got pipe in there. You got hard pipe.
Dami pang dapat gawin. Pipe? Which one pipe?
Your pipe coming out of here?
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, you'll either want you to get fill in here tapered or off of it or something back here. Kind of want fill in here to taper off from this leach down here underneath here somehow, some way.
Why not? Huh? Guys, feeling ko nabudol talaga ako. Imagine yung pagbungkal nila ng lupa galing sa bahay papunta doon sa front sa main source ng water. 2,000 sana yung hilingin nila. Tapos akala ko okay kasi 9 feet yung lalim. Hindi pala 2 feet lang. My goodness, dyan sa atin magbabayad lang tayo ng probably 5,000. Gawa na yung yung pagbubungkal compared to 100,000 dito. Kaya lang asawa ko pagsisigawan ako. Pero, aalis siya in a bit. Kukuha siyang snack. So, So, yun na nga guys. Sinubukan kong umakyat tapos halfway up, ay Nako, nakita ako ng asawa ko, pinagalitan ako. Tingnan nyo, woot woot, kita yung lubot ko guys, buti na lang, hindi ako umakyat lalo. Kasi kita talaga, nakakahiya. But anyway, sinigawan ako ng asawa ko, baba ka dyan, Marilyn, ang tigas ng ulo mo. Sino bang may ulo na hindi matigas? Slowly but surely. Ang sarap ng himig ng mga ibon.
Man, I got this one all dirty. Did you? Kinda.
Nobody will bring a telescope and tell you, hey, look at that. It has a dirt of it there, like 1 inch, 0.6 inches.
You can see it over there. Can you get a rag, please,
Rag?
for that?
Nah, we can do that later. So yun na nga, gusto niyang kumuha ako ng trapo para trapuhan yung naputikan na sidings. Sabi ko later na. Smells good.
Kentucky Fried Chicken. I kind of got a mess.
Oh, you got a bunch of pieces up there?
I got a bunch of places.
All right. I'll lay it down here, kind of well.
So, apparently, itong space na dito ay maliit compared to the space over there. So, sabi ng engineer namin na hindi pwedeng gagawan ng carport dyan or garahe dyan kasi ang nasa code daw is at least 20 feet from the property line. So, 20 feet is ganito. So, ganyan lang kaliit yung carport. Walang car na masusunod, masisilid dyan. So, we decided to transfer it in this area. Kasi mas wider ang space dito. Hi, Corey. I'm just explaining to them that we are moving the carport from the left side to the right side because this is more wide. So ito, kasi mas maano siya, wider siya. What's wide in Tagalog? Oh, see? Pwede kasi yung what do you call this one, property line is over there. So 20 feet is probably up to here. So yung carport namin, garahean is from there to there. So pwede dalawang cars. So I guess, at ito na po yung aming siding. Yan. Gusto ko sanang umakyat dyan, oh. Dyan. Papunta doon. Nasakpan ako ng asawa ko. Sinigawan ako, papa ka dyan, ang tikas ng ulo mo. What did you say again when I climbed there and you saw me? Huh? What? Get down. It's moving all around. Tapos pinag-ano ako ni Dan. You know? Like, kasi sabi niya, days ago na, ilipat mo na lang yung carport from there. Lipat mo dito. Sabi ko, no, gusto ko doon, blah, 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 blah. And then today, sabi ng engineer namin na I think kailangan natin ilipat yung carport dito kasi walang car na makapasok doon kasi maiksi yung space. So, sinabihan ko si Dan na, okay Dan, ilipat na namin yung carport dito. And he was like making fun of me. So, you know what I did? I threw him. What did I throw him? I threw... Hinagis ko siya ng mud.
Good thing you only hit the house.
I almost hit the window. Jeez. Just try to imagine if it broke. Hi. Jokingly, hinagis ko siya ng bato. Mataas. Alam ko namang hindi siya maigo. Tapos, yung bato pumunta sa bintana. Oh my gosh. But ganito kami, para kaming magkakapatid dito. Hey, are we going to put like a wrapper in there?
Huh?
Are we going to put a wrap?
No, we ain't got none.
There's a wrap. I have wrap extra.
We ain't allowed to use that.
Well, you have to pay me $20.
We got told not to use that.
Too late. You already did. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so i-continue ko tong pag-wrap sa aming bathroom. Este shower. So yan, i-continue ko yan hanggang aabot doon sa ceiling or at least 1 foot below the ceiling. And then tapos marap yan, i-apply ko na or i-install ko na yung ating backer board for the walls. So enjoy! Alam nyo guys, feeling ko nabudol ako. Yung ginawa nilang pagbubungkal ng ng lupa galing doon sa bahay papunta sa main source. $2,000 sana yung hihingi niya. That's like over 100,000 pesos. Eh, tingnan nyo naman, ang liit-liit, di ba? Kung sa atin yan yung pagbubungkal ng kaunti lang na distance, hindi aabot ng 100,000. Ganito talaga yung guys, kamahal yung mga labor dito sa Amerika. Parang tagalangit na yung mga expenses. Kaya yung sinabi ko kay Cory na yung budget ko para dyan sa loob ng bahay, ubos para dun sa mga extra expenses na napakarami doon sa labas. Yung pagbubungkal ng lupa, tapos paglalagay ng drainage, paglalagay ng mga tubo, at iba pa. Ay, naku, grabe talaga. Parang 500,000 ata yung nagasto ko dyan. In pesos, of course. Ano ba yan? Oh well, ganito talaga ang buhay. Kung ayaw mong gumasto, di wala kang bahay. Di ba? Buti na lang kami na magagawa ng mga finishing dyan sa loob ng bahay, kaya wala na kaming labor na babayaran. But anyway, ito po yung nangyari. Naubos yung staple wire ko, kaya temporarily, linagyan ko lang siya ng water vapor tape. So, yan, very strong yan. Hindi yan na kaagad na, I don't know what you call, hindi yan na babaklas easily. So, yan po. So, yan guys. Nakasurround dyan ay mga kahoy, kaya kailangan may water barrier na plastic para hindi mabasa ang surrounding areas kasi magiging shower yan na area na yan. So after that, i-install ko na yung backer board. Yung backer board din ay waterproof din, kaya after sa backer board, i-tiles ko na. So I can't wait. Yan na. Dalawang layer na ng wrap. Tapos isa na lang kulang. Kaya lang, palpak na naman ako. Buti na lang hindi ko pa nalagyan ng drywall or ng backer board. Kasi, tingnan nyo. Yan, oh. Yan. Ditong banda. Diyan. Kailangan yan lagyan ng insulation. Kasi, wall papuntang labas. So, kailangan ng insulation para yung ginaw sa labas hindi papasok sa loob. Ito lahat, kailangan ito ng insulation. So, good thing, hindi ko pa na-install lahat ng mga backer boards. So, it should be fine. Tatanggalin ko lang yan. So, stay tuned.